Alright, so today we're using the Bolens 824 that was repowered with the Briggs and Stratton engine. Let's see, right there, the 14.5 foot-pounds of gross torque, 305 cc's. I'll put a link to the video where I installed this engine on this machine. And right now we're just kind of finishing up a driveway that I take care of. And the snow is pretty light and fluffy. It's about 16 degrees out here right now. And so I'll just set the camera up and finish up the job. I'm actually kind of impressed that this machine can throw it so far. Alright, I want to point out that as a part of the repower process, a couple of the controls up here on the dashboard are no longer functioning. For example, the run switch, the key switch, and also the throttle. That was from the original engine, which I believe was a Tecumseh. Same thing here, just the wire just been disconnected. Because with the addition of the Briggs, this is now the throttle as well as the stop. This is also a stop, and this is the choke and the primer bulb. So that is the Bolens 824 repowered with the Briggs and Stratton engine. Also has electric start. So I also want to mention that I did the impeller modification by putting the rubber flappers inside there on the fins, or whatever you want to call it, of the second stage part of the snowblower. So that certainly helps throw it a little further. All right.